20 minus 20 is what? 0. Times 20 minus 20, 0. 0 times 0 is equal to what? 0. But this answer is what? Not correct. What's the correct answer? Let's solve it. According to order of operation, we have to first of all put this in brackets. We are going to rewrite it again like this. 20 minus, in bracket, 20 times 20 minus 20. So this times this will give us what? 400. Then we put our minus 20 here, and here minus 20. Here's 20. Now we have plus 20 here and minus 20. So this one we cancel this. So our final answer will be what? Minus 400. That's our final answer.